In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Wise. To get started, head to your Wise dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your balances and recent activity. When you're ready, click Send. That opens the transfer setup, and everything else flows from here. Next, choose the currencies involved. Select the currency you're paying from and the currency your recipient will receive. Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate, and as you set this up, you'll see the rate and any fees displayed transparently, so you always know the exact cost and what the recipient will get. If both sides use the same currency, Wise simply sends it with no conversion. If they differ, you'll see the live rate applied in real time. Either way, the interface makes the cost and outcome clear. Now enter the amount. You can type how much you want to send, or switch the input to specify how much you want the recipient to receive. Wise will automatically calculate the other side, show you the fee breakdown, and provide an estimated delivery time. You can toggle between the send and receive views until the figures match your plan, whether you're targeting an exact payout or a fixed budget on your side. Take a second to make sure those numbers match your intention. Choose the account you're paying with. Select your Wise account balance and the currency you're sending from. Using your balance keeps things smooth and can help your transfer move faster. Make sure you have enough funds available in that balance to cover the amount and the fee. Add your recipient. Enter their details so Wise knows where to deliver the money. You can provide bank information, and depending on your region and the currency you selected, you may also see other options such as local e-wallets. For bank transfers, you'll typically enter the recipient's full name as listed on the account and the required account identifiers, like an IBAN or local account number. Keep everything accurate to avoid delays. Enter the specific details of their bank or e-wallet, then continue. Wise will validate formats where possible, but it's still best to double-check spellings and numbers before you move on. Finally, review and confirm. You'll see a summary with the send amount, the recipient's currency, fees, the exchange rate, and the estimated arrival time. If everything looks right, confirm the transfer. Wise will create your payment and show you a confirmation screen where you can track progress and see when the funds are expected to arrive. And that's all. With these steps, you can send money with clarity and confidence using Wise.